Hello everyone, I'm Humayya Khan, and today our topic for discussion is why women are better leaders than a man. So आज की सोसाइटी में we have seen a very good progress in in women population कि वो लोग वर्क प्लेस में in a house like she is a housemaker and she's a better worker and basically she is stable in both in terms of mentally being mentally stable or being physically stable. They like we women can do it all, if not better than a man. But there's still a stereotype going on around the society. Like जैसे हमारे घर पे like our fathers grandfathers would mostly prefer a man or a boy to take over a lot of work, a lot of responsibilities. So yeah, it is an injustice going on around the society against us women, but I personally believe that women can be a better leader. And yeah, there are a matter of concerns जैसे जैसे हो गया rape, human trafficking, murder. Despite all of this, women are still moving forward. And we say this, there's this saying called behind every man's success there's a woman behind it. So it can be anyone, his mother, his wife, his lover, his sister, anyone, his daughter. So if we believe that, why do we not believe that yes, a woman can be a better leader than a man? And ये जो बात है इसको मानने के लिए एक लड़के का एक मर्द का ईगो आ जाता है बीच में. So this ego is the main problem. It's the main issue here, which gives push to a lot of crimes, to a lot of stereotypes. Or this is the reason why we women are held back from doing a lot of things. And personally I believe कि एक woman can be like she can do it all. She will handle all the situations at your home better than a man. She can cook, she can clean, she can take care of babies, she can raise them well with morals. Or if we talk about any workplace, तो workplace में she can get promotions quickly. She will even take the company to a certain level which probably a man wouldn't. Like if it will be a very controversial statement to say, but there have been such instances where a woman has done it all. So why are we so hesitant in believing such things, that we women also have capabilities? And like women, like a lot of people including me, are more self-aware, are more confident, are more strengthful in doing a lot of things. And like the things which we go through, I don't think that a partial part of it, like उनको अगर ऐसे चीज़ों से go through करना पड़े, then I am damn sure they'll have anger issues, anxiety, depression, whatever. They'll take a lot of pressure on themselves, and मैं मर्द हूँ, मेरे को ही करना ही पड़ेगा. और only a man knows what he goes through. Yeah, sure, you guys go through a lot of stuff, but we do too, and we are so calm that we'll handle it better than a man. So it is a controversial topic, and my point of view is also kind of controversial. So yeah, with this I would like to end my video here, and let me know what's your take on it. Bye.